how to download Java in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download Java for Windows 11. So all you need to do is simply follow the steps listed out in this video carefully. So the first thing that we will be needing to do is head on towards any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that best suits you. So for the demonstration in this video, I will be using the Google Chrome. So once you are inside your web browser, you need to search for Java download and hit the enter button. Now from here, you can see the first link that says download Java by www.java.com. So java.com is the official website where you can get the official Java installation. So simply click onto this download Java option and you will be landed onto the Java website. Now here you can see the downloads for Windows, Mac OS, Linux and Solaris as well. So since we are looking for the Windows download, we will be looking through the downloads which are available in this table. Now here you have the online Java and then these two are the offline one. So in the offline one as well, there is this one which is built for the 64-bit operating system architecture. So since my system is a Windows with a 64-bit architecture, I am gonna choose this particular option right here. So once I will click here, you can see that the download for Java has started and it has also been successfully completed. So now let's click onto this open button to start with the installation process. You might need to click yes if a dialog box appears asking for permission, and here is the Java installer setup. Now from here you need to agree to the terms of agreement and then it will allow you to install. And if you want to change the destination folder, you can simply click onto this tick mark icon if you want to do so, but I want to keep it to the default destination folder, so I will be unchecking this and then I will proceed by clicking onto the install button. And here you can see this progress bar that says installing Java. So let's wait for the installation process to finish, and once the installation process finishes, we will be able to use Java. And here it says you have successfully installed Java. You will be prompted when Java updates are available. So now once you are done with this, simply click onto the close button and congratulations, the Java is successfully installed into your Windows 11 computer. Let's see and try to access the Java application. So go to the search bar of the taskbar and search for Java, and here you can see these applications. The first one is about Java and then there is this configure Java, and the third one is check for updates. So if you want to or wish to configure your Java, so simply click onto this and it will open the Java control panel, and from here you have a variety of options and controls to choose from so that you can customize your experience with the Java programming language. So that was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.